Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to bid on Upwork.com. So first we're going to bring up the Upwork website, and from here it automatically brings you to your Find Work page, and you can scroll down and you see various job postings. This one right here for basic video editing, I'm going to click on, and it brings up a screen where you can read the description of the job requirements, what they want you to do, the fixed price or the milestone price or the hourly price that they're willing to pay, whether they're looking for entry level or intermediate, expert level work. You can scroll down again. It gives skills and expertise relevant to the job, any preferred qualifications and activity that's been on the job. So we're going to go ahead and apply. So right here in the apply button, we're going to click that. And you're going to come down here and it's going to ask you if you want to do the project by milestone or project. By milestone, you sort of cut it up into smaller segments and get paid as you do the work, or by project, you just get paid at the end. So we're just going to go with by project right now, which is a $40 amount for this job. Then you're going to put in how long the project will take. We're going to say less than a month, and you're going to type in your cover letter as well. Then down here you can include any attachments, files, videos, documents that are relevant to your proposal. And then down here is the important part. This is the bidding system. So you can bid for one of 4 boosted spaces at the top of the client's proposal list. So how bidding works: you'll be charged your bid if the client interacts with your proposal, or you're one of the top 4 bidders by the time the auction closes. You'll be refunded your bid if you're outbid from the top 4 slots before the client interacts with your proposal. So right down here we can see the top 4 slots. The top number 1 space is 20 connects. Then you have 11, 11, and 10. You can actually refresh this to see if there are any new bids going on. But so essentially the person who bid 20 connects is going to show up number 1 first for the client to see. The second place for 11 connects is going to be second place, and so on. So if you want to make your proposal at the very, very top, and you're going to set your bid something higher than the first, or maybe the second if you don't want to spend that much. Right now I have 119 connects left, so I could go ahead and do 21 connects and bid that. And then it would come down here and you would click the send for 21 connects on the job. And from there, you would wait to hear back from the client to see if you got the job. Thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, please drop them below in the comments.